Hey everyone, back again with another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that your Netflix keep buffering. So how you can resolve that? Just like that, I have an app of Netflix. So just like that, when you're doing the movies, it's buffering. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the settings. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just go to the settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. After that, just go to the general section and just tap on a software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After do that, just go to the iPhone storages, just scroll it down and just find a Netflix. Just like that, tap on Netflix and just offload the app from that. After doing that, it's taking a time and just see that the option on reinstall app is gonna reinstall the app. After that, tap on that and just wait for the second. It's doing that. If you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, it's doing in a second. If you have a minimum, just in a minute and 2 minutes. After doing that, just go back and just scroll it down and just find transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and then reset the network settings from here and just press dial the password and you're gonna reset your network settings. After doing all these steps, your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.